Hello Ascenders! And in this video, we're going to be talking about the Modelones 32-piece Christmas to Winter gel polish set and seeing what we can make with it. I'm going to be designing my own press-on nails, and my friend Slav is going to be helping me by holding them. This 32-piece set is available on Amazon, and right now they're having a huge Black Friday deal. I will leave the link down in the description box down below and in the pinned comment for you to check out and get a deal. In this box, you get 28 gels that are a mix between shimmers, glitters, and creams. You also get a top coat, a matte top coat, a base coat, and a primer. I like how they added a primer. Not everybody adds a primer to their sets. You can do so many different manicures using these colors. But for this video, we're going to be looking at 3 different aspects for this kit. These colors right here would be perfect for Advent. This lovely cream purple, this lovely cream pink, this white, and this gold glitter. These colors right here would be nice for Christmas. This pixie dust glitter red, this pixie dust glitter silver, and this cream red. And these colors right here would be perfect for after Christmas going into winter. This beautiful dusty blue glitter, this cream gray, this lighter blue glitter, and this slightly off-white cream. I really like how this kit can be for Christmas, but it comes with a lot of variation in the colors, so you can wear it going into the new year. I'm going to apply the cream white to the ring finger and to the index finger. Then I'm going to go ahead and take that silver glitter and apply it to my pinky and to my thumb. Then I'm going to take that beautiful red glitter and apply it to the middle finger. These colors were very easy to apply. I'm going to be curing them in between coats, and I applied 2 coats of the white and 3 thin coats of the glitters. Also, before I cured them in the lamp, I turned my nails over and evened out the gel in between curing. I wiped off the sticky layer of gel with some rubbing alcohol, and these colors are absolutely stunning. Love it. Now we need to take this mani to the next level. I'm going to be taking my paintbrush, and I'm going to freehand some red lines. I think you know what we're creating here. One of my favorite candies of all time. And after I cured that red in the lamp, I'm going to take this silver and paint it in between the red. Then I'm going to take that red glitter and paint it in between the silver and the red. The reason why I cured it in between the stripes is because if I screwed up one of the stripes, then all I had to do was take some rubbing alcohol and wipe it off and do it again. After my nails are fully candy caned up, why don't we apply a nice glossy top coat? Fun fact, the Modelones top coat and base coat are my favorite gel base coat and top coat to use. I've used them for years, and they're nice and affordable. And after I've applied the top coat, I'm going to go ahead and cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And stay tuned for the grand reveal. Now, why don't we do a Advent candle manicure? Cause 'tis the season. I'm gonna take that cream white again and apply it to my thumb to represent the white candle. And I gotta say, I applied to the nails very well. I'm gonna apply the pink cream to my ring finger to represent the pink candle. Then I'm gonna take that lovely purple and apply it to the other 3 nails to represent the other purple candles. And I gotta say, this purple applies so nicely. I'm just gonna do 2 coats of each color, and I'm gonna cure them in the lamp in between coats. After I've applied my base color, I'm gonna grab that gold glitter from this set, and I'm gonna apply it towards the bottom half of my nail, kind of in a flame shape. This is kind of the flame that goes to the candle. And after I've cured that gold in the lamp for 60 seconds, you could probably just put your nails in and cure this gel for 30 seconds, but I always do 60 seconds just to make sure. And after we've added that golden flame, I'm gonna go ahead and add a glossy top coat and cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And this top coat is a no wipe top coat, so there's no sticky residue after you cured in the lamp. It is a really nice glossy top coat. I really liked how these 2 manicures turned out. These 2 designs are going to be my go-to Christmas nails this season. And I don't know about you, but I am so excited for Christmas. What are your favorite colors to wear for the Christmas season? Let me know down in the comment section down below. Modelones sent me this gel polish set for my free honest review, and I really like all the different colors you get. I will definitely be using these colors going into the new year. And for our journey to continue, please click right here. And remember, Ascenders, our dreams will ascend to the highest peak. Love ya, and I'll see you in my next. Meow. Bye!